that celebrated story of Puri king. The Puri king was supposed to marry the daughter of Kanchi king in Tamil Nadu, Padmavati. And it was all fixed. But Kanchi, the king of Kanchi, heard that Puri king, Gajapati, he sweeps the floor during the car festival. He is a sweeper. How can I give my daughter to a sweeper? That is the story. False or right or wrong, don't worry about it. And then the Puri king was offended, calling me a sweeper. So he wants to attack the kingdom. The story goes, he prays and gets the help and all that, and he comes to some of the stories, he's defeated, and the Kanchi is defeated, he takes the girl forcibly and walks out, goes away. When he goes, and he tells his minister, give this girl to a sweeper. The so-called princess, get her married to a sweeper. But the minister is very smart. He kept the girl for her in his house and then waited for the occasion when the king himself was sweeping. The king was sweeping, he took the girl there and he said, Maharaj, you told me to give it to sweeper, now you are sweeping, take it. Of course the king loved her, happily took her. To whom did he give? So sometimes he is a king, sometimes also he is a sweeper. The king is not sweeping. I who is the king, the same I is the sweeper. But in our world, limited, stupid world, managing director is driving. Managing director is not driving. Managing director in the office, the driver is driving. Understand? So don't say, the sadhu is cleaning, sadhu is not cleaning. The cleaner is cleaning. Don't say sadhu is drinking, sadhu is not drinking. Drunkard is drinking. As I told you 100 times, politicians are not corrupt. A corrupt person is a politician. Don't say priests are greedy. Priests are not greedy. The greedy person happens to be a priest. Don't say husbands are brutes. Husbands are not brutes. Brute happens to husband. Wives are nags. No. A nag happens to be a wife. A person, everybody is flawless. What you do, according to that, your division. But you classify and brand, Brahmana. He will feel uncomfortable because he has got all the qualities of a Sudra. But you are calling him a Brahmana, the fellow will be so uncomfortable. He is drinking, he is smoking, angry. But you are telling him, please do this puja little. Poor thing cannot know what to do. He can't live up to that. That is why corruption begins. And there may be an ordinary person, very nice. But he cannot get into temple. Why? Because he is like that. What? That whole system must understood clearly. This, mental overhauling. I'm not telling you a joke. You listen so much. But when it comes to do anything, give yourself a job and see, try. How can I do that? He's top, I am low. He's higher up, I am lower. I'm a sadhu. How can I do namaskar first? Oh, I see. To whom are you say namaste, no? What is namaste? Namahate, te tubhyam Ishvara, Ishvaraya. To you, God, I do namaskar. So are you doing namaskar to him or to God in him? Because you don't know the God. If you know yourself, who you are, what is wrong? Hello, namaskar, how are you? That is why Rama, one top qualification is Purvavasi. Purvavasi means before he is approached, he approaches. You break the ice, namaskar, how are you? No, waiting. From the side of the eyes, you look at it. Who is prostrating, who is not prostrating. Oh. And as you are walking down, already it is antenna is up. Are they coming to touch my foot or not? Your leg must be pulled. Your feet should not be touched. Therefore, you understand? That is why you feel uncomfortable. Have you seen that? I'm a holy man. How can I share bathroom with everybody? My exclusive bathroom. Oh, I see. What happened to the other bathroom? If you can keep the bathroom clean, 20 people can use the same bathroom. Even before growing, you are already demanding the job of the king. Understand? That is why you become nuts and you drive everybody nuts. It happens in spiritual, so-called spiritual field, secular field, every field it happens. Understand? So, at no time the person must be condemned to profession. Okay? Because in every one of us, there is a Brahmana, Vaishya, Kshatriya, Sudra, and also Nirguna Parabrahma. According to Guna, you are something. So, we shall see in the afternoon, where we shall see that karmani praviviktani svabhava pravai gunai. There were different types of karmas are there according to Guna. So not that Brahmanas do these things. Those who do certain karma, you shall call them. When you are propelled, understand, when you are, you feel like, or you are, you feel that urge to do certain types of action, that time, according to the type of action you want to do, you can be a Brahmana or a Kshatriya or a Vaishya or a Shudra. When you are a Brahmana, what shall be karma? Just read, we shall see in the afternoon. Shamo damastapas saucham kshantirarjamamevache jnanam vijnanam astikyam brahma karma svabhavajam. It's beautiful. We shall see in the afternoon, okay? Brahma karma svabhavajam. When you are shama, mind is totally peaceful. Dhamma, sense organs of action at level of your body, in their own place. Tapas, aware of yourself. Shaucham, no confusion of any kind. Kshanti, forgiving. Arjavam, straightforward. Satyam, jnanam, vijnanam, astikyam. You know the knowledge, know about yourself. Asti iti buddhi. There's only truth alone is existing, Ishvara alone existing.